So I woke up to messages from Amazon in a different language. Code verification, change of ID, change of passwords, change of username. At the same time, I woke up to notifications from Google as well of change of my password, change of recovery mail, and everything was related to my AWS account. So from my AWS account, both my Gmail and my AWS account were hacked. So if you know you don't have MFA set on your AWS account already, better do it now. So AWS always encourages that you have a second factor authentication set on your AWS account, preferably an MFA. If you don't have an MFA set in your account already, please do it now. And you don't need to go anywhere to do it, because I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's log into our AWS account. So logged in, let's log in as the root user. Into this account. So let's log in. So next time we want to log into this account, it will request an MFA, because we're going to set an MFA in this account now. So we are logged in. So in the account section, come over here and click security credentials. Click on security and credentials. If you have not set your MFA already, you're going to see it on the top here. So all you have to do is set assign MFA. Before you do this, ensure you have an Authenticator app on your mobile phone. I'm going to be using Google Authenticator. You can use any one you want. You can use Microsoft Authenticator or any other one, but I'm going to be using Google Authenticator. So you click on assign MFA, you give it a name. Let me name it my MFA. And then we'll select Authenticator app. You can decide to use passkey, security key, or if you have a hardware token. But we're going to be using Authenticator app, and then we'll click on next. So it brings us to this place where you now have to open your Authenticator app and give it a name. So you open your Authenticator app, you click on the add button, you see a plus sign. It's going to require you to input the first two codes, right? So let's show the QR code. So click on the plus button on our Authenticator app, then scan QR code. So I'm scanning mine now. So I've scanned it, that's come up. I'll now enter the two first codes that comes up on my Authenticator app. So on the Authenticator app, the first one that comes up, you type it in. So I'm typing mine in. Then you wait for it to load completely so that it will reset and give you another one. So the second one it gives you, that's what you will type in the MFA code 2, right? So you type the first one, let it load and finish. So give you another one. That second one, you enter it here. So either your Google Authenticator, your Microsoft Authenticator, or any authentication app you're using. So let's type in the second one here. So I type in the second one, then add MFA. So I've added MFA to my account now. So anytime I want to log into this account, it will be asked. The code, the MFA code will be required. So whoever doesn't have your mobile phone access to your Authenticator app cannot log into your account, even if they have the password. That's how secure it is. So let's log out now and attempt to sign in again to test that the authentication is working. So let's attempt to sign in again. So sign into the console. So let's sign into the console here. you are still going to sign in as a root user. So ensure that you do this for all your accounts, all your IAM users, your root user. Set an MFA. You might think your account, there's nothing in your account. You might just wake up the next morning and you have bills waiting for you to pay that you have no idea who used it, right? That's what I woke up to this morning. My account was already set up, an instance was already running. They were even using an X3 large instance. You can just wake up to that. So set MFA on your account. So let's attempt to sign in now. So even after entering the password, let's see how it's going to be. So even if the person has your password and has successfully entered your password, then click sign in. An MFA code will now be required. So if the person doesn't have an MFA code, can't log in to your account, which makes it secure. And the MFA code is something that it boots after a few seconds. I think a minute maximum, barely a minute even. So we are now able to log in, but with an MFA required, compulsory. So with an MFA set in your account cannot be hacked. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you next time.